Here's a quick step-by-step guide to the ErgoAV small motion TV mount. And then I use the arm assembly or wall plate guide so I can drill the holes for the screw once you actually find the stud. So make sure you're in a secure spot where you're gonna hang your TV, so it has to have a stud. So that's the hole that I made. Once you're done with drilling, now you can screw the wall plate, the arm assembly. So use the appropriate screw for your wall. You do have included screws in the purchase. That side of the wall plate tilts, that's why it's built that way, so you can do movements once you install the TV there. So once you've installed it properly like that, if you've screwed it, this is how it's gonna work. So we're actually viewing it from the top view right now. So the second part would be to install the faceplate first in the back of your TV, because your arm assembly is done. So this is the faceplate for your TV. So your TV is different at the back, so you want to make sure that you find the faceplate has different holes for different sizes of TV. So all you need to do is just go fit it in there and make sure that you find the right holes, and then there should be corresponding screws. And then in the instruction, it's also going to tell you if you have flat back TV, what screws you're going to use, so it's all there. So pay attention to the top part of the TV is also where you're gonna put that one that I'm pointing, because that's what attaches to the arm assembly. So I did find the correct screw and the washer, so you make sure you use the washer. So also do not over tighten it. I'm using the smaller screw because this TV is 24 inches. I just screwed it manually just so to make sure that it doesn't ruin the back of your TV. Do not over tighten it, just enough. It's easy to find the holes. All you needed to do is just make sure that you know which part of the faceplate is on the top, just because you don't want to be ready installing it and then you had it on the wrong side. So that's done. So that's the top part, because that's what attaches to the faceplate. So here's the arm assembly or wall plate, sorry. So that's the wall plate. So it's all, if you know that it's already sturdy, you have it in the stud, then now you're ready to install your TV in there or attach. So all you need to do is from the faceplate, just attach it to the top of the wall plate, and that's it. It should hold it. And I'm just going to show you, before you attach, make sure that you actually check the arm assembly. Is it sturdy? Does it carry your TV if you're putting like more a bigger TV? So just showing you how to make sure that it's it's not gonna fall on you. So that one stays right there because it's for tilting, so it's not loose. It's just the screw has a way to tilt. So once you're done, see, that's the top part. Now you can install. All you need to do is, if your TV is heavy, then you'll need help to put it up. So all you need to do is attach that, and that alone holds it really well, as long as your wall plate is installed correctly. But there's one screw that you need to use for locking it in. It's actually a bolt. So here's that. And then here's the bolt. Oh, I'm gonna show you. So this is actually the tilt before I show you how to lock it. So just once you've installed everything, this is gonna be how you're gonna be able to tilt the TV. So again, I'm always gonna this is the bolt that I'm talking about. So it goes at the bottom of the faceplate once you've installed it in the wall plate, and then there's the hole that you will want to screw the bolt on. All right, so now let's attach the TV again. And once it's attached, here's where the bolt goes. So just, you can do it by hand, and then you can just lock it in. So it secures your TV, and once you've locked in the bolt, then you're good. You just want to make sure that everything is safe. Again, wall stud is where you're supposed to attach the arm assembly. So I just lock it with the bolt with the screw driver. And also on the arm assembly, you want to make sure that there's an arrow up there, so it's gonna tell you, just in case later on, it's gonna tell you which way is up. But here it is, it's all installed, and this is just showing you the tilts that you can do with this small motion TV mount by ErgoAV. Also, the last part, you want to make sure that you install that faceplate or wall assembly cover. You don't need a screw to attach that. It's just gonna go fit it right, and then just snap it in, and then you should be good to go. Just lift the arm assembly a little bit so it fits at the bottom, and that's it. That should look like that, and that should be it. Very easy installation. It's just the part that would hold you off is gonna be just finding that stud, because that's the most important one. But again, here's how the TV would tilt once you've installed it. You can tilt it like that or that way. You can also move it around. So if you have you put it in a room where you are in different areas of the house, then you can tilt the TV wherever you are. Awesome.